Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I do want to discuss the Jordan 1 Panda 85 since, or the black and white 85s, whatever y'all want to call them, since we have this Jordan 1 model coming soon. It's dropping on the 15th, I believe, and today it is the 12th, if I'm correct. Yeah, the 12th, so we're like 3 days away from this drop, another hyped release coming soon, and I know a lot of people are going to be wanting this one, and there's some other releases coming soon after this one, so we're just going to kind of go over it quickly, compare it to some of the past Jordan 1 85s, and that'll really be all it is. It's a very simple video, but just kind of give my thoughts on what you should do with the shoe, if you should hold on to it, sell it, kind of what the plan would be here. So that's really all I need to mention there. Again, check my Instagrams, any of that down below. Don't forget, if you want to check us out down below at Hype Labs, join our waitlist down below. Don't forget, free to join that, only be charged if you're let into the group, and you can see everything we got here, teaching people to bot. So all these are retail pairs. Again, more pairs for daily under market deals. If you're interested in getting sneakers for under market price, again, daily, we do those daily under market deals. So you can see these are some of the pairs: Huff SBs, Wasso Sad SBs, black gums, white gums, two-tone gray dunks. If any of that interested you, again, those are all for members on a daily basis, so I got more coming today. And yeah, that's pretty much what it is. If you're interested in our group, seeing what we offer, learning how to bot, be sure you guys check us out down below on our Twitter or on our Instagram. I appreciate the support y'all have been showing, and again, go join that waitlist if you're all interested. You can go on the website and see everything that is offered, all beneficial, early info, all that stuff. So I hope you all will enjoy it, and let's just kind of get started here. So the first thing, I was going to refresh, I just refreshed this real quick, kind of like get a price update, but y'all can see kind of between a range, some sizes at 290, kind of lower end 300, but really between a range of 290 to 330, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now before the release. And to be honest, after the sneaker drops, it'll probably be a lot lower. I would probably expect to see it towards, 240, 260-ish, but that might be really, really low. That might be like a too bold of a prediction. Like, we have to see what stock ends up being on sneakers, and like at retailers, different raffle locations. Like, we have to really see what this drop, because I've seen some early pairs, but I haven't seen many raffles and different things out for this sneaker yet. So maybe it's all just going to happen on sneakers drop day, like that week of, we'll start seeing a bunch of stuff load up for this sneaker, or maybe there isn't as many pairs as I'm thinking, but I definitely know there's going to be some hype, because when you see people calling them the Panda Highs, the Panda 85s, that's just when you know they're going to be going crazy over them, because people love the black and white colorways. They're very simple to wear. They don't have to think about them a lot when they put them on, and they pretty much go with everything. I mean, this is a Jordan 1. It's just another version of it. It's the, original 85 model. So kind of seeing that and noticing those details, it's something to kind of, pay attention to, because I would definitely not sleep in it, considering that, there's been discussion about this one for months. So personally, what I'm going to be doing with this one, if I cop it for a retail price, I do like the idea of holding on to the sneaker, because it is a very wearable colorway, and, it looks like a shoe that would go up. But personally, for me, unless I'm having like a bulk amount, like 15, 20, 30 pairs, and I'm willing to wait like a super long period of time, I'm not going to be holding on to this one. I'm just going to be quick selling it, flipping the like if I get it for retail, just making that quick profit, flipping it for resale, or keeping it, or doing whatever I do, and then moving on to the next drop. That'll really be what it is, because I do not see this sneaker as a hold. You can go look at any of the past Jordan 1 85s that they've done, and they haven't risen in value. I mean, just look at the neutral grays. Personally, or here is the Georgetown colorway. Look at the pricing for this one. You can see kind of like, well, pretty much like right at what the Pandas are, except a little bit higher. And you can see these have risen like a little bit, but pretty much dropped from their original point. So you really want to sell at the high point, or sell early on these before they kind of dip down, because you can see that one hasn't risen. And same with this one. Look, it has not risen at all. Look, it is just kind of straight, dip down. So that's, pretty much what we got going on with the neutral grays, at least. So, or not the neutral grays, but at least comparing the Panda 85s to the Georgetowns and the neutral grays. Neither one of these colorways rose, and they had amazing amount of hype. So again, coming on the 15th, it says available at, I'm sure it will change to a draw release, where you'll probably have to wait like 10 minutes to get results, 20 minutes to get results, depending on how laggy Nike is. But again, just don't miss this release, because it's one a little bit more expensive of a retail price, but that is normal for the 85s. I think they've all retailed at 200, if I'm correct. Let me check. Yeah, there you go. You can see it at $200 retail. So this isn't anything abnormal necessarily, but just based off the past performance at 85s, when this one's dropping, we've had a lot of really good Jordan 4s surrounding it, like the Seafoams and Crafts. I'm just going to be selling this one off, because I don't see any benefit to really holding this one up, considering that it's not like the chances of it rising in price are very, very low. I mean, even with it being like a more hyped colorway heading into 2023, right? We're not heading into 2023 because we're already in the year, but I guess heading further into the year, even with the black and white colorway, I mean, you can just go look at the past Pandas. They never rose, because they just kept restocking those ones over and over and over, if that makes sense. But yeah, with this one, at least, I don't think that kind of pattern would happen where they'd restock restock it over and over and over since it's 85, nicer materials, a little bit more limited. They tend to do that kind of stuff on purpose. But again, this one isn't called the Panda 85s. It's just the black and white colorway. So overall, big fan of this one. I'm kind of glad that they dropped it, but they definitely know, I mean, this is just very obvious. Nike, Jordan, they know 110% what they're doing with this sneaker, dropping it in this exact colorway at this time and calling it the black and white 85s. They know 110% what they're doing based off the hype of the Panda Dunks and how many sales they've had of those. There's a definite like factor as to like why the sneaker exists now is because of the hype that the Pandas had. They're like, oh, we can capitalize on anything black and white, and they came out with this Jordan 1. So at least it's clean. I'm a big fan of it, and excuse me. And yeah, again, with this current pricing, just expect it all to drop. Like this is too much for some big sizes in these right now, like 390, 380. It's gonna go down to like 330, 340, probably 320 even. And if I saw everything below 300, that wouldn't shock me. Like if they really load up the stock on these and drop a ton of them just so people can, like a lot of people can have them to wear, that'd be a really good thing. I wouldn't mind that. And the higher retail, considering that ones aren't super hyped right now either, that might kind of help these, you know, tank in value a little bit more. So for my people maybe wanting a personal pair of these, I don't think you're going to be having to pay too high above resale on drop day, because I think the prices are going to significantly drop the next couple days as we see more raffles, more places this one will load up on, and then also for the fact that I think the stock is going to be pretty high, because I've seen big backdoors of these. I have. It's just a matter, you know, when are we gonna, you know, see, you know, those people start selling those pairs off. That's really what it is. So yeah, aside from that, that's really what I can mention about the Panda 185s. Again, February 15th. Do not miss out on this release, 2023. Here, I'll show you all the sneakers page again. And I don't think, or yeah, there is toddler sizes. That's an interesting looking shoe, to be honest. They only have toddler sizes. No GS, no none of that. Just, you know, the 85 ones there, and then the toddler ones. I don't think these ones resell. Maybe a little bit, but this looks like pretty weird. This is like interesting. It's pretty cool though, but like, I don't know. That's a weird shoe, to be honest, but all toddler shoes look weird. What am I talking about? So again, if y'all want more content like this, I guess more kind of seller hold videos, since I'm definitely going to be selling off the Panda 85s. I'm not holding on to these ones based off past performances. So check our IGs down below. Go give us a follow. Again, this is just some of the success we have. I didn't even show y'all all of it. Again, this is success on the Craft Force Seafoams in store. Those 2 pairs, 6 pairs, 19 pairs. Again, that was my dub right there, the 11.5, and y'all could see brick flips. I mean, we're always showing people how to profit in the group. So if y'all are interested, follow our Instagram, follow our Twitter, show us some love there, and again, y'all can see again how we've been doing there. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to mention, guys. Check our IGs, all that, and feel free to join our waitlist down below if y'all are interested. So that's it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you all, and hopefully I will see you all in the group down there. Again, free to join that waitlist. Only charge if you're let into the group, and you can see everything we offer right here, testimonials, so you can know we're legit, and then all the different features we have. So that's it. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. And then that, and yeah, that's it. Peace.